So here we have the recently installed 12 metre by 4 metre 90mm glue laminated sales office for our friends down in Twycross. We've used it as a big sales office. The laminate logs, we've got black shingle roof on there. There's going to be a lot of underfloor heating and insulation to go into here, hence we haven't finished it. We're going through to one of their little staff rooms. It will be. Nice tilt and turn windows again. Just like that. Same again. We go through to here, which is a lovely set of aluminium sliding doors. We've also got 200mm sturdy roof purlins up there. That's again so easy to use. And this will be another little meeting room for them. Another lovely example of one of our premium 90mm laminated log cabins. Timber building specialist.